Namaskar. Today I will discuss the method of undetermined coefficient from the linear differential equation with constant coefficient. The method described so far is called the method of variations of parameters. Although this method yields a solutions of the non-homogeneous equations, it sometimes requires more labor than necessary. For the given differential equations, L of y is equal to b of x. Suppose b of x is a particular is a solution of some homogeneous equation m of y is equal to 0 with constant coefficient, then m of b of x is equal to 0 if psi is the solutions of L of y is equal to b of x and m of b is equal to 0, then m of psi L of psi is equal to m of b is equal to 0. Therefore, psi is the solutions of the homogeneous equation m of L of y is equal to 0 with constant coefficient if the order of the differential coefficient operator here is n and that of m is m, then m of L of y is equal to 0 is a homogeneous differential equations of order m plus m, and therefore there are m plus n linearly independent solutions of m of L of x is equal to 0. Since b of x is a particular solutions of m of y is equal to 0, every solution linear combinations of these n plus m linearly independent solutions will not be a solutions of L of y is equal to b of x. Thus, to find the solutions of L of y is equal to b of x, we substitute the linear combinations of the solution into L of y is equal to b of x and determine the set of coefficient other than the coefficient of the solution corresponding to the homogeneous equation L of y is equal to 0. We give an example to show the unless of this method. Suppose we consider L of y is equal to y double dash minus 3y dash plus 2y plus x square is equal to x square. Since x square double dash is equal to 0, x square is the solutions of m of y is equal to y double dash is equal to 0. Every solutions psi of L of y is equal to x square is the solutions of m of L of y is equal to m of y double dash minus 3y dash plus 2y is equal to m of x square is equal to 0. But m of y double dash minus 3y dash plus 2y is equal to y double triple dash minus 3y dash plus 2y double dash is equal to 0. Y bracketed 5 minus 3y 3y iv so 3y 4 bracketed plus 2y double dash is equal to 0. The characteristic polynomial of the equation is p of r is equal to r raised to 5 minus 3y raised to 5 4 plus 2r cube 3r raised to 4 plus 2r cube. Just the product of the characteristic polynomial of the real and m. The roots of p of r is equal to 0 0 1 1 1 2, and hence psi must have the form psi is equal to c naught plus c1x plus c2x square plus c3 e raised to x plus c4 e raised to 2x. Observe that c3 e raised to x plus c4 e raised to 2x is the solutions of L of y is equal to 0. Since we are interested only in particular solutions psi p of L of y is equal to x square, we can assume psi p is equal to c naught plus c1x plus c2x square. Since psi p is a solution, it should satisfy the differential equation L of y is equal to x square. L of y is equal to psi p double dash minus 3 psi p dash plus 2 psi p is equal to 2 c naught plus c1x plus c2x square minus 3 c1 plus c2 c2x plus 2 c2. L of psi p is equal to x square gives 2 c2x square plus 2c1 minus 6c2 x plus 2c0 plus minus 3c1 plus 2c2 is equal to x square. Since the above equations should hold for all values of x, on equation the coefficient of equal powers of x, we get 2c2 is equal to 1, 2c1 minus 6c2 is equal to 0, 2c0 minus 3c1 plus 2c2 is equal to 0. By solving these equations simultaneously, we get c2 is equal to 1 by 2, c1 is equal to 3 by 2, c0 is equal to 7 by 4, and psi p is equal to 7 by 4 plus 3 by 2 x plus 1 by 2 x square, and is equal to 1 by 2 2x square plus 6x plus 7 is the particular solutions of L of y is equal to x square, and psi is equal to psi p plus 3 c3 e raised to x plus c4 e raised to 2x. Psi is equal to 1 by 4 2x square plus 6x plus 7 plus c3 e raised to x plus c4 e raised to 2x is the general solutions of. Thus, this method is also called annullator method. Since to solve L of y is equal to b of x, we find the operator m which annulate b of x. M of b of x is equal to 0. Once m has been found, the problem becomes algebraic in nature.